Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're gonna plant almond seeds together. I have some seeds right here. They are sweet, they are of good quality. First thing first, we need to crack the shell to get the seeds out. Well, seeds must be in water for a day. Now I'm gonna drop them in a glass of water. They must be for a day in water, but I've done this process before because the next step is to make them ready for cold stratification. It means that we have to put them on a paper towel and spray some water on them to keep them moist, and then put them in refrigerator at least for a week. Now I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag and then put them in refrigerator at least for a week. Well, at the end we can see that the result will be like this because I've done this process before. Well, these are the seeds that I put them in refrigerator, not for a week, but also I put them in refrigerator for 3 weeks. That's why they're so big. They have really long roots. This one. Now I'm gonna plant them. We just need a soil, but well, it's enough. Now I'm gonna make a hole to put them in soil. Root must be always down, like this, and the seedling must be always out. I'm gonna do the same for the second one. Now I'm gonna pour some water. The planting is finished. Well, I hope this video was informative. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.